JD here. You've read the title, corned beef, biker style, what we're doing. Before we get into it, there's a subscribe button down there. Go ahead, hit that. Let's go. Ingredient list is below. Use that to reference how much and what quantity you should get. These are the directions. Throw corned beef, clove-studded onion, bay leaf, salt, pepper, and celery into kettle. Add water to cover. Heat to boiling, reduce to simmer, and cook slowly for about 3 hours. Mine was done in 1 hour. I don't know what that's about. Remove onion and celery. Add potatoes, carrots, rutabaga, and smaller onions. For the smaller onions, I couldn't find the dried onions they were talking about. I assume they mean dehydrated onions, so I just got some dehydrated onions and eyeballed it. Put in about a cup. Return to boil, then reduce heat slightly. Add cabbage, last 15 or 20 minutes, and cook until everything is tender. Serve with mustard and horseradish. That's it. Let's see how it turned out. Corned beef, it's done. Got a piece with some outside kind of edge with it. It's already cooked, already cut. Let's see how it turns out. It's good. What you get is a lot of the clove flavor, not so much the other flavors. The other flavors are there, but they're very subtle. The onion, obviously being the strongest, is going to be the most prevalent thing. A little bit of pepper, salt, the usual. I'd like a little more clove in there, but again, this cookbook was created in the 70s and 80s. They didn't like flavor back then. Now we do. We like stronger, more complex flavors. But this is good. I'm going to have to go back in on this one. And this one. And this one. And of course this one. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Hit me up on social media. Give me a like. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button twice. Share this with your friends, especially if you found this useful or something you might want to do. Somebody else is bound to, right? I'm JD. I'm out.